everybody!
Hello.
Nick and Kat Adventures. There's Nick, Kat, and Barbara, and I'm Nick. We are going to Tampa Busch Gardens.
Yeah.
So, fun fact, if you ever ask Siri directions to Busch Gardens, it will always send you to the Tampa Busch Gardens.
Yeah, we live about like 40 minutes, maybe 35, depending on traffic, from Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. But every time we ask, hey, Siri, get us directions to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
Getting directions to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Well, you know, thanks a lot.
I'll start at the beginning.
I'm gonna
So
talk.
I can see a roller coaster up there. It looks like a
Oh,
cute one.
wow.
There goes Nick and my mom into Busch Gardens. I'm excited. He's excited. We're all excited. Hey!
Wow.
We've like barely got anywhere. Nick's already in heaven because of those flowers. Gorillas be gorilla-ing. Look at the sleepy gorilla.
Oh, he's just napping and resting. He's adorable.
Look at the cutie pie. Look at Nick. He's also a cutie pie. I think we might be disturbing his sleep. And there's a tiny guy sleeping.
People to watch him while
Oh. Hello, penguins.
Fantastic! This is what it's all about, staying cool on hot days.
Yay!
Oh, yeah! Thank you so much. Thank you.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Toot toot. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Toot toot. She'll be coming round the mountain. And round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Eating our ice cream. I had Shamu. I kind of ate half of him. But we're waiting for our ride times to come back. Yay! Montu.
Montu!
And we are in the front row, and we're going to show you everything that we see. And this is probably literally the worst.
Egyptian themed ride.
And this is probably also my worst angle. It is beautiful. It is sunny. It's sunny,
We just had
isn't
a
it?
bad thunderstorm and rain, but my
Yeah.
God, now it's gorgeous.
Wow. Oh, and look, that looks like Adventure Island, I think.
So we're really fortunate we were able to use our pass and get through. Looks like that's like a cobra.
Oh, wow. That looks really cool. I'm excited.
A lot of nice stuff.
Oh, I'm excited.
And because our head's closer to the track, it's gonna be a lot smoother. Here we go.
Hey, honey, I can see my car from here. Hey, buddy.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. We are going on Cobra's Curse.
The theming here is phenomenal. Let sleeping snakes lie. Oh yeah, the snake here has a curse.
Oh, wow. I have a curse. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
My power.
Oh, wow. Hi, Snakey. Whoa. Oh, golly. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
for all it.
Whoa!
Oh, it's nice. Oh my god.
Oh, this is so much fun! Whee!
Now we're going backwards.
Oh, that was cool! Oh, I'm not smiling. I hope you're smiling too. We just did that. Oh, we belong to the snake! Oh, that's so cool!
Oh, I like that.
There is no escape from the hopeless times.
Holy cow.
That was so much fun! That was the cutest! I loved it!
That had so many special elements.
But the snakies were like everywhere and I liked it. I like going backwards, I like going forwards, I like going backwards again.
A short ride, but the development.
Please lift up on your lap bar, watch your step, and exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you.
He sounds like the guy from Indiana Jones, that guy.
Oh, it's
The ride in California.
only Busch Gardens had the rights.
So I really like Cobra's Curse. Did you like Cobra's Curse?
That was incredible.
It was so well themed and it was so much fun. We just ate at the Serengeti Overlook, which was really nice. Unfortunately, there was a debacle with drinks, so I did not get a chance to see everything or film.
Right there.
There are the lemurs. There are their butts. Here he comes. Hello, hippo. So here we are, front row.
Hello. There's the magnetic plates. Oh god.
That was cool.
That was nice.
Hey, there's my mom.
Tummy feels, tummy feels. Okay, that's a good thing. Sorry, Mark.
I loved it.
The shoulder straps really hurt.
They hurt?
They hurt.
Oh, I didn't hurt at all. These were perfect for me.
Oh, look, a butterfly.
Hola. Bonjour. Buenos dias. Good day. Guten Tag. Konnichiwa. Hello. Bonjour. Buenos dias. Hello, Thompson's Gazelle. So here we are in the water. My mom, Nick, and me. Like Nick said earlier, we left Busch Gardens. It was very, very warm. And we came back into here to swim. Let's take a look at them. They both are swimming. Our hotel that we are staying at has, I think, 9 or 11, however many pools.
If we could also include the clip of the hippo that we saw swimming, just to...
Okay, just to show.
Yeah.
We'll compare to the hippo and my mom and my Quickles.
Hold on, let me show you how the hippo swim. Ready? Like
Well, I don't know. This is very refreshing though. The first pool I've been in all year. We do go to.
This is my fourth time in a pool this year.
Oh.
But
First
I haven't been in one for 2 years before that.
Yeah.
This is my first pool that I've been in this year. We went to, what is it, Water Country USA, but we don't always go in the wave pool or the other pools. And this also might be the first time that we got my mom in a lazy river.
Hello everybody, we are in a lazy river going underneath the bridge. So the lazy river, you have to get a bracelet for the inflatables. Fortunately I didn't know that before I got in. So I'm just gonna kind of be like floating around and swimming through the lazy river area here. Just stopping over here, I found a really nice hibiscus. Really cool to see it bloom after the rain. We're going underneath another bridge. We have a little bit of a race. We're going to be racing to the 4-foot sign. Well, 4-foot sign. Right there. Whoop.
89, 84. Height.
Almost there. And Leanie in second. And Barbara in a close but distant third.
Just like really went for it.
I know. I don't have that energy to do that.
And now a handstand competition.
Oh, those are some solid footwork. Alright, okay. I think that wins. Oh my god. Hands down. Wow, look at that. Here we go. And now a motorboat. Motorboat. Motorboat.
You want to go to the other one? Want to go back to the other one?
Hello from a hammock.
Yay!
Holiday Inn, Orange Resort.
Palm trees and a relaxing Nick. Good end for a day.